Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're starting off with Sparkling Co's Sassy French Pink as our base, and then we're going to go and do some French tip marbles with a stamper, so stay tuned. Right now I'm just applying my 3/4 dip and then I will continue on to full dips. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this part and I'll be back in a little bit, but I also wanted to say I did get bubbles from using this dip powder, and that could either be from my brush not being clean enough or that it was still wet from when I washed it, or I didn't brush enough product off. I think that's like one of the most finicky things about dip powder is you never really know when something bad is gonna happen like that. Like bubbles can just show up. It doesn't matter what dip powder it is. Bubbles just can sometimes happen. Applying Sparkling Co Solidify, and this is going to sit on my nails for 2 minutes while it hardens. I'm going to file off camera and then we will get into the design. The gel polishes I'm using today are Sparkling Co's 168 Count Your Blossoms, 163 Pink Elephant, Sg.169 Loves Me, Loves Me Not, and lastly Aimeili's 019. I'm also going to be using my Maniology stamper and a detail brush from Macart. Okay, I'm applying the gels and then I'm going to make some swirls and press my nail into the design. After that, I'm going to clean it up with the detail brush just to make sure that the design is just right. Going in with Loves Me, Loves Me Not, I'm going to apply a thin line under all my nails, and that will be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!